Welcome to Spyder Auto Headlights with Switchback LED Light Bar Installation Guide for 2015 to 2016 Ford F-150. Check out how the Spyder Switchback Headlight changes the look of your vehicle. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation: voltmeter, angle popper, long socket extension, piler, ratchet, 7mm hex socket, 8mm hex socket, 10mm hex socket, T20 torque socket, E-tabs. Pull the hood release lever. Open the hood and let's begin. Remove one push-type fastener. Unbolt two 10mm hex bolts on top headlight bracket. Unbolt two 7mm hex bolts under the wheel well. Unseat headlight trim molding. Unbolt 7 8mm hex bolts on headlight trim support panel. Squeeze down the clip to release the trim support panel. Unseat headlight trim support panel. Unbolt one 8mm hex bolt in between the headlight and grille. Unseat factory headlight. Unseat the turn signal socket with bulb. Disconnect factory headlight harness. Disconnect factory side marker light harness. Transfer factory headlight bottom bracket to Spyder headlight. Remove 3 T20 torque screws. Unseat the factory headlight bottom bracket. Seat the headlight bottom bracket onto Spyder headlight. Reinstall 3 T20 torque screws to secure the bottom bracket. Please visit Spyder FAQ video for information of how to wire LED accessories. Find and T-tap the turn signal harness. Connect wire into the positive turn signal harness. Install turn signal socket into Spyder headlights. Connect Spyder headlight and side marker harnesses. Seat Spyder headlight in place. Reinstall two 10mm hex bolts on top holding the headlight. Reinstall one 8mm hex bolt between headlight and grille. Seat headlight support trim panel. Reinstall 7 8mm hex bolt holding trim support panel. Seat headlight trim molding in place. Reinstall one push-type fastener. Reinstall two 7mm hex bolt under the wheel well. Close the hood and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto Switchback Headlight for your 2015 to 2016 Ford F-150. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto Installation Video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.